Let's just see something right quick. Just off the bat. Let me see. Let me see. What should I put on here? Let me see. Okay. Let me use my birthday. Let me see. My birth, not naming birth. 9/24/31/98. 9766670. That's the equation for Tahuti and Yehuda. 8, 16, 8, 9, 11, 12, 1, 0. 1, 2, 1, 9, 8, 6, 8. Star number 8, 6, 8. This is the star cuff for star cuff for Orion. Orion is 1350.8 away. This is the planet that I can see from my home. Through my V. It's called a V. Matter of fact, the window looks like this 7 right here. Just like this 7 or that Sabbat. Looks just like that. Looks just like the Sabbat. You don't know what this power is. You see? People use this name and have no cord saying who they are. You use words and you use all these things and what you call these written words are worms, and you have no cord. You don't know the names that you use. You're using these names and they're bound by people who are living today. You be careful out there. Be careful when you use these words. You see? If you don't have no internal power, if you don't have no internal sense, I pray for you. Because you are not paying attention to today. You're in the past, and we are here now. And a lot of you are a bunch of liars and hypocrites and devils, and we see you. We see you. If your name is not in the record, let me give you an example. Right here is Yehuda and Tahuti mixed up with the seal of 97667 female. That's the fee. It's the 0. This is my mother. Okay? If you all don't have these records in your name, how dare you use the name? You see? Only a certain people can use these names. Only a certain people can use these names because of this right here. This right there. You see? Be careful. This right here, this 41. This 41 goes to her. That's my mother. We call her Ma. You see? You be careful. If you don't know the spirit, if you don't know the Ruach, if you don't know the wind and how it blows, if you have no idea about the whirlwind, if you have no idea about the clouds, you see, you be careful out there. You're just babies. You're just babies trying to learn something. And all you have to do is go within yourself so we can see you. You see? In a minute.